Welcome back to our home tour of this exceptional 4-room HDB flat at Block 639 Choa Chu Kang Street 64. I'm Jayden from OrangeTee, AAG. Let's start by familiarizing ourselves with the property facts, floor plan and location analysis before we explore the unit. With a lease balance of around 73 years since TOP in 1998, comprises 87 residential units, 36 are 4-room, 43 are 5-room, and 8 are executive units. This 100 square meter unit or 1076 square feet, the layout includes 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a service balcony, store, enclosed kitchen, and living dining area. Numerous windows enhance air circulation. Just a short 200-meter walk to UT MRT station on the north-south line. So nearer primary school, that is within 1 km, UT Primary School, Kranji Primary School, Unity Primary School. Nearest supermarket, FairPrice. Let's enter and discover the remarkable features of this 4-room flat. The living space stands out with its ample size, providing endless furniture arrangement options and cozy corners. An open concept design seamlessly links the living and dining area, augmenting the feeling of space. The dining space is perfect for gatherings and creating cherished memories with families and friends. Its layout comfortably fits a large dining table, creating a cozy atmosphere for shared meals. The enclosed kitchen is a chef delight with ample counter space and storage option. Prepare meals with ease while enjoying the convenience of an organized culinary space. 3 bedrooms that you can use for different purposes, like a home office, a room for kids, or a comfy space for guests. You decide. Plus, each bedroom has enough room for a study corner. The 2 well-designed bathrooms offer both style and functionality. Start your day feeling refreshed in this clean and comfortable space. With a service balcony, perfect for laundry or additional storage. Plus, the storeroom provides extra space for keeping your belongings organized. In conclusion, this 4-room HDB flat at Block 639 Choa Chu Kang Street 64 provides a spacious and practical living area designed to enhance your lifestyle to make your comfort and convenience a priority. For more information or to visit, contact me at 8666-8818. Thanks for joining this tour. Jayden from OrangeTee, AAG. Do remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you soon.